Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. Now let us look at the trade plan for the upcoming week in Nifty, Banknifty and few other sectors. If you have not yet joined my Telegram channel and YouTube channel, you can join right now, CPR by KGS. So this is our last week view in Banknifty and this trend line has been broken. Now we can expect Banknifty to drop down up to this particular support level. Now before reaching this support level, we can expect Banknifty to temporarily pass for few days or few hours around this particular level. Now this level is almost broken, but still maybe if the market opens in a minor gap up manner on Monday, we can expect this level to act as a temporary support. Because already for a couple of days Banknifty has been taking a lot of supports over here. So this time also we can expect Banknifty maybe on Monday or Tuesday to take some minor supports at these level. If this level is broken completely, if there is a gap down opening and if this level is completely skipped by the market, then there is going to be a fall till 39,600 levels, and what not, we can expect even more fall considering the gaps in Banknifty. Now here you can see a small gap in Banknifty and this is a small gap, but here you can see a bigger gap in Banknifty, and this has been there for almost more than a year because it happened in July 27 and 28, and again we can see a small gap over here between 19 and 20 July, and these gaps are expected to be filled by the market in this fall. So it will come down in a stepwise manner. So the first fall we saw when the market stopped from the all-time high and then it started to form repeated lower highs. So there are higher chances Banknifty will drop towards this support and maybe another retracement, and again there will be a drop and again there will be another retracement. So this is how Banknifty is going to fall in a sequential manner. So by looking at the present scenario and looking at the repeated lower high structures in Banknifty, I will definitely not trust bulls right now in Banknifty. If I want to trust the bulls confidently, then maybe I want Banknifty to go up above this level and that too with a strong bull candles. Then we can expect a bullishness till this particular swing high, and if that swing high is broken only, we can expect the market to go towards all-time high levels and even more, right? So as of now, we can clearly understand that bears are having some upper control in Banknifty. Now let us quickly look at the trend in Nifty, and even in Nifty we can see that now many people would have done that this trend line is broken in Nifty, so we can expect a bullishness. Many people would have thought in that way. Now this is right, but still we have to consider this important zone in Nifty because this is going to be a tough resistance for Nifty for upcoming days, and if this resistance is broken, then we can expect some good bullishness in Nifty for the upcoming days. But whether Nifty will break this zone or not, that is the biggest task, and that may not happen right now considering the bearish trend and bearish view in the market. And once again in Nifty we can see repeated lower high structures, and this is also looking like a fresh lower high. So if Nifty comes inside this trend line, then we can expect Nifty to drop towards the swing low. So this swing low is going to be a short target in Nifty. So every day you can look for short opportunities, and every week you can have a bearish view until this swing high is broken. If the swing high is broken, if this zone is broken on the upside, then you can go for a long position, you can trust the bulls. Otherwise we have to trust only the bears, and every day we have to plan for a short opportunity. Now once this level is also broken, then we are having a bigger target that Nifty will drop towards 16,800 levels and whatnot. There is a gap over here, still there is a gap. This gap has to be filled. A small gap is there, and here there is a gap between July 19 and July 20. So more fall is expected if market is planning to fill this gap. both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, more fall is expected if this gap is going to be filled in the upcoming days. So what I will tell is, overall, have some less trust over the bulls and keep more trust on the bears and focus on short opportunities. If this Dow theory, if this lower high is broken, then I am happy to take a long. I am not against the bulls. Now let us look at the trade plan in few other sectors. Considering the sectors, Nifty Finance looks like it is stuck between a swing high and swing low, right? And again, once again in Nifty Finance we are having lower highs. So this is a fresh lower high, all right, and this is a swing low. All right, this is a swing low, and we can expect the Nifty Finance to trade between these levels, and we can expect some bearishness in Nifty Finance as well. And let us look at the Nifty IT. Now, when the market is bearish, Nifty IT is going up, which is not trustable. This is not worth trusting. So don't trust Nifty IT, because Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty Finance are looking bearish. So Nifty IT alone cannot go up, or it cannot drag the prices to a bigger extent. So keep less trust on Nifty IT, even though you see a resistance breakout. Nifty Auto looks to be stuck between a range. Maybe if this range is broken, then we can expect a fall towards the downside, maybe a little till this particular level is reached. And the next target will be this last swing low, right? And Nifty Energy is having a good structure, and we can see Nifty Energy has dropped heavily, and still Nifty Energy seems to be bearish. Now this is the only hope. Maybe we can draw a zone over here. So this is looking like the last hope for Nifty Energy. And if Nifty Energy is not ready to take support at this level, and if Nifty Energy is ready for more fall, then it is going to land towards this 18,600 levels. And as you know very well, in Nifty Energy, Reliance is the top contributor. So of course we can have a bearish view in Reliance as well in coming days, considering the weakness in Nifty Energy. All right. If Nifty Energy tries to bounce from these levels, you can consider this as a small range. So based on this range breakout, you can decide the trade plan. If Nifty Energy comes out of this orange zone, if it comes out of this tight range, then we can look for some long scalping trades. See, Nifty Energy has fallen. Nifty Energy is having a bearish view in weekly chart. So trusting the bulls is not good. Even if you get a long opportunity, trade with less quantities, okay? Reduce your position sizing and plan for a quick scalping, and that is what you can do when the market is moving against the trend. The overall trend in Nifty Energy is weak. It is bearish, but if Nifty Energy goes up, then you have to keep your positions light. All right, so Nifty Energy looks good, and Nifty Metal, even Nifty Metal looks good because it is stuck inside this range. If this range is broken, then we can look for some good trade opportunity either on the upside or downside. Nifty FMCG, it's stuck inside a range, so I don't want to look at Nifty FMCG. And this is Nifty Pharma. Again, Nifty Pharma is stuck between a range. If Nifty Pharma breaks this range on the downside, then more fall is expected. Almost inverted round bottom kind of structure has formed, and so we can expect some fall even more for this round structure to be formed. So Nifty Pharma is also looking weak, and if we look at the Nifty Media is also weak. So most of the sectors are weak. Nifty Infra is bullish. Nifty Realty is range bound, and Nifty PSU Bank is having a good tight structure. So Nifty Energy and Nifty PSU banks are having some tight structures. So we can expect some good trade opportunities in these sectors, and moreover there is a gap over here. So we can expect this gap to be filled by PSU banks. So you can keep an eye on SBI, Canara Bank. You may get a good trade opportunity. Once this range is broken, we can expect the gap to be filled in PSU banks. All right. So looking at the sectors, what I feel is Nifty Energy looks good and Nifty PSU banks looks good. and Nifty Finance is looking bearish. Nifty IT is showing some fake bullishness. I feel like it is a fake bullishness. So we may get a short opportunity in coming days if the market is truly bearish. Then we will get a good opportunity for taking short in IT. So you can keep a mild eye on IT sector as well. And the other sectors, Nifty Auto, Nifty Metal, Nifty FMCG are almost they are inside a range. So you can give less focus in these other sectors. Alright, so thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can share it to your friends and you can post all your queries in the comment section. Together we grow as a price action trading community. Bye.